So let's talk memberships. There's so much to talk about. We've just done a revamp of the YouTube membership packages. So I'm going to dig into that, but I'm also going to dig into Patreon. I'm going to show you the Discord, give you a little bit of a taster of, what to expect and all that wonderful stuff. Really trying to improve the YouTube membership experience. So let's dig into all of this stuff. Do mash up the like button if you enjoy this sort of content. Right, let's get down to the desktop. So we're going to start on Patreon, right? This is basically what we're kind of aligning the YouTube stuff to. So let's sort of dig into this. The 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗧𝗧 supporter level has sold out, so we're not going to talk about that one. We've got all access. It's £10 a month plus VAT. This unlocks, all access. So you get things like access to the private Discord community, Patreon only post and messages, exclusive content. So we're going to increase the amount of video content and crypto content for members, so you're going to see that improve immensely. All access members live stream, so we do 2 AMAs each week, and you can access those through the YouTube membership section or through the Discords and Patreon, so do check that out. We've got exclusive buy alerts, sell alerts and stake alerts, really valuable. Whale alerts, so you get to see what the whales are doing. Exchange listing alerts, again, I think this is a really powerful thing, right? Get to basically know where each of the exchange listings for coins are happening, so you can front run other investors and see some significant gains, because we all know that some of these projects, when they list on, say, Coinbase or Binance, you get a really big push to the upside price wise, and you can get ahead of the game with that. So it's a fantastic utility to have in the Discord. We've got coin trends. We've got educational video content and live streams. So lots going on. Definitely worth checking that out. I'm just going to turn my phone off because people keep messaging me all day. Then we've got the next level, which is all access plus trading, $22.50 a month plus VAT. You basically get everything in the all access, but you get all the trading aspect of things. So what you get with this one is you get our technical analyst team doing your TA requests. So if you've got a coin that you want TA on, you can just request it and the team will get right at it, and then they'll post it out for you to read through. We've also got trading ideas. We're also using artificial intelligence and machine learning to deliver a lot of different trade ideas, so you get lots of trades and all that wonderful stuff. It's definitely worth checking it out. But let's sort of move on to what's really changed, and that is the memberships on YouTube. So we're revamping it so it's aligned to our Patreon memberships. The only thing that you're not going to get with YouTube memberships is the project review write-ups. We just got no facility to be able to link it to YouTube. So you do get a little bit more for your money on Patreon, but let's go through what you get on YouTube. So the $4.99 a month 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗧𝗧 supporter member is open on YouTube. You've got your loyalty badges, they've just been revamped, and then your custom emojis. So additional video content and all that wonderful stuff. You've got the $17.99 a month hodler member. This basically gets you all the stuff that you get in all access on Patreon, minus the write-up reviews. And then you've got your trader member at $29.99 a month. It's basically your all access plus trading, like you see on Patreon that I just covered off. So let's have a look at the actual Discord. So here we are at the Discord now, and I really want to sort of go through all of this. So let's start with the trader chat. So you've got basically all the trader chat room. Nick and myself are in the Discord all the time. We've got the AI bot. I mentioned this earlier. This is where it talks about the trading opportunities and highlights them to our community. And this is basically the way this works is you're putting your trade request in, your TA request in, and the artificial intelligence is basically reading the charts that are put out from our technical analysts and pulling out all the potential trades. So a fantastic opportunity to dig into that, which is great. We've also got trader resources, so all the different resources that you might need to help you trade better. We've got trade loss reflections. So Nick and myself are big on learning about how you don't make mistakes in the space, and this really is an area for people to reflect on trades that didn't go too well. Obviously, it's not too busy either, which is positive, I suppose. Then you've got members charting. So this is a place where our members can chart. We do have education. So we do the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗀𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦.com, which has Elliott Way theory course and many other courses. And this is a great place to share your charts with people, see what people think. We've got a trader hangout area. Sometimes we will do get the technical analysts in there and chat about trades and all those sorts of stuff. We've got TA requests. So this is where you put your TA request in. You follow the instructions here, and this will go into the background and the team will look at that. Trade alerts. So this basically tells you, what's been done, whether it's hit target or whether it's invalidated. Trade ideas. So this is where all the trade ideas go in. So your medium-term ideas, your long-term ideas, and your short-term ideas. Obviously, we had a medium trade 2 hours ago, a long-term 1 day ago. Sometimes these are really, really busy and you can get like loads in a day, and other days there aren't really too many trades on the horizon. So take it with a pinch of salt. We got our member chats. This is where all the members will chat about what's going on. So this is, basically the next tier down. Urgent news alert. So Nick and myself highlight, stuff before it all happens. Genesis files for bankruptcy, chapter 11. If we go right up to the top, this started sort of around the time when Genesis was having problems. So look, I was flagging things really early on about stuff that I think is really, really interesting to keep an eye on. Very important stuff. We have member feedback section. This again is an area that's really important to Nick and myself. We want to build the best community, the best membership package out there in the crypto space. The only way we can do that is with your feedback. Obviously, be constructive, mindful that our team, are working immensely hard in the background, but it's really important that we get feedback. But it's also important to remember to be respectful, because like I say, a lot of work goes into this, and respect should be given both ways. Airdrops. So this is basically talking about all the possible airdrops, again listing opportunities that perhaps people don't know about. We've got our buys and our sells, our crypto portfolios. I'm not going to share those here. We've got crypto reviews. So these are all the project reviews that we've done. List goes on, and you can access these through Patreon. These are the bits that aren't included in your YouTube membership. Member videos. So again, this also includes stuff that is covered in the AMAs. Useful links that are very, very useful for people new to the space. We got member data feeds. So lots of different things: coin trends, exchange listings, Glassnode, whale alerts, NFTs recently being minted. We got become a member. So this is kind of all your support, requests for help, frequently asked questions, secure yourself, scam alerts, all that sort of stuff. Our general chat, polls, our forums, giveaways and offers that we do, Patreon feedback, trader wins. So this is a place where people can share their wins when they've got them through trading. We got our Elliott Way theory course stuff, beginners questions, because like that, no question is a stupid question. Access to our crypto basics videos and stuff like that. So these are all the videos, so you know how to do things if you're new to the space. Member education, against other stuff there. Stake pools, NFT information, Razor Suit information, proof of style, old guard, which is basically like the people that are most supportive in the community get to go in there. And then we've got all our private sales stuff, which is our NFTs and all that sort of stuff. So I think that probably covers off the Discord. I think what a lot of people do is they come in and are perhaps a little bit overwhelmed. Take your time, have a look around, mention one of the team, join the AMAs, ask questions, have more meaningful connection with Nick and myself and our team. Really excited and really hope to see you guys down in the Discord so we can build generational level wealth together. Right, take care. I'll catch you in the next one.